Uh, good day, leaders. Greetings to the South African citizens all over the 9 provinces. Umadubulalo. Leaders, I want us to ukuthi siplagane ngalokho. Ngicela wonke ama-citizens asondelela. Kune mandate engifuna sihlale phezu kwayo as the 9 provinces concerning ama-visitors that we have here. We've been talking and savumelana with an action. So because we cannot do it ukuthi ngibe all over the place, kodwa ngicela sisebenzisane as the South African citizens, as we've agreed that it's high time, enough it's enough. Asobiza abantu ukuthi basisize ukuthi lokho kulunge, sizozenzela thina. Ngizocela ama-forum wonke asondela, all the forums esinawo, ama-structures that we have within our community. Ngicela sondela wonke lama-structures lawa avale imayini, wonke lama-structures lawa akhona ukuthi athathe ichaza on fixing our country. Ngicela sondela, ngicela ama-security company stakeholders asondele, bonke abafethu aba-owner ama-security companies within our communities. Ngicela nisondele la. Ngifuna silungiseni lento bafowethu kusese manje. Esizokwenza manje must give the government, angikhulumi ngo-president, will give the government the sense that as the citizens of this country, we are tired and we are not playing. Ngicela abantu bomthetho kuma-branches within the province, ama-station commander wama-province asondele. Sicela omeya nama-council asondele to listen to this. Bahlali siyazenzela le operation le. This is how we're gonna do this operation bafowethu. Structures, they're gonna go to these 2 places, each and every province. You go to your nearest police station, you ask for a station command of that particular station, or you go to municipality, to MM's office, right? MM's office, it's either you go there or you go to station commander wama branch kuma police station, right? Sizoyenza ngokwama structures lento. It's up to them, or no mayor must pay attention of this. It is up to them ukuthi bazo assign umuntu to accompany lama structures when we do these operations, or if abakwenzi lokho, we'll still do it ourselves. So nakho-ke leaders esizokwenza, we're going to ask for permission. Angisho there is nakunjani, there is CPF na wasondelela the same rights CPF that they have, although policies wabo works different. Thina sicela permission that must be granted in a letter form, ezokwenza ukuthi we're going to visit. We are not fighting with them as visitors, but we attend to them on our own now. Sicela lokhu kube granted. Before we entertain indaba yama votes leaders yokuthi ya vote okwenziwani. There will be no vote esolo si entertainer because these votes are the ones asifake kule mess. So, i-operation esiyenzayo, all these shops of foreigners, we attend them. We want to check people who are working there. Where are they from? We want to check the compliance. Is it in place? All these shops, do they have compliance? Anyone who's not from this country, right? I'm talking about those who are running these big businesses, who are foreigners, who are visitors in this country. We operate them in that system where we get the letter confirmation from the Department of Defense, which station commander must authorize that, or mayor or MM must authorize that, so that we can, when we do this operation in Wama province, they are aware what we are doing. Which umaswenzela operation, guys, we do not announce ukuthi in public siyokwenza i-operation ngelanga so. Already sobe sikhulumile kuma groups wethu esiwa-create to run this operation, right? Yile into engicela sihlale phezu kwayo, guys. Let us move this information as much as we can. Then leaders, when it comes to this thing of the visitors, the foreigners, ngikhuluma nama-citizens now, abahlali of this country, those who understand the importance of this country. Ngicela ukuthi siyazi we've got a sell out. We've got a sell out from within our brothers who works with these people. Any citizen, he's not allowed to support foreigners' business. Ngiyakuphinda lokho, comrades. Leaders, akunamuntu wala Mzansi who must support the businesses of these people from outside all the provinces. Ngiya understand ukuthi some of us, because we are not on the privilege kunzima of other things, ngicela sizama ukusizana ngokuthi omunye naka edrobheni umphathisa ama-item akuphathele wona. It's cheaper in town kuboma Shoprite nani, to avoid to support these businesses. We are not able to run businesses into our locals because these people bahlume as mushrooms. So what are we gonna do? Any mthola a supporter a business of foreigners. Hey, good people of South Africa, that person must be rebuked. That person must be stopped. So we are urging no support for foreign business. This is what we do as South Africa. No saloons must be supported. Let us support our sisters, brothers of South Africa who are running our saloons. Let us not support these saloons of foreigners. Let us not attend of any of their businesses. Siyazigela ama syndicates lawa agijima emuva and work with these foreigners. When we find you supporting these foreigners, it's not gonna be nice. Listen to this, South Africa. We take a stand now. We make an action. We don't support foreigners in our local areas. Let us attend those who are giving these foreigners indawo zokuhlala. This is a message, Commandant, that must move as quickly as possible. We have to visit these places. We visit places about accommodating these people. No one who's a visitor has a right to be permanent in this country. That must be in the police. From now, this is a message. We don't give permission of them being permanent visitors of this country. When you go out of other countries, immediately you arrive, they ask you, what are you here to do? For how long? After those days, you are out of their country. So we no longer, those with fake marriages, it comes to an end. We investigate those marriages, we find out what is happening. Because there's no one who can be in a marriage with somebody. We're not going to allow that. So, leaders, please spread the wings, spread the messages. No supporting business of foreigners. That's the message. Gizobuya, the message for ama operation wama drugs cartels. Ama drugs cartels, there's a message. Enjoy dropper in full. It thing at the security companies. Nama forums are strong. Within your sector, please support any forum that is against foreigners. Please, Bahlal, support that foundation in all cost. So the more they're gonna lose business, they're not gonna have a means of survival. And if they have a means of survival, that means will be drugs. Because if they're able to cater their life and live luxury, yet none of them who can come with this platform who has a business, a solid, except a saloon and selling of clothes, their main business is drugs. So the truth will come out. Siyapagama, siyasuguma, wonke ama-province, please, leadership. And once you do the action, come back, give us the feedback, stitch a video, put a video of whatever you have done. We are stand-upping now for this country in 100% fully. So, siyapuma nami ngiyapuma manje, ngiyoshosholoza. Please, guys, let us do this thing wisely, in a right way. I'm getting sure they know ukuthi amaphoyisa protects them when we go and confront them. Sizoba confront a very smart but very, very arrogant. We are not playing. Station commanders, mayor, councillors, please take note of this. Because angeke niwathola ama votes. That's guaranteed. Angeke niwathola ama votes, ama local votes azoba terrible. Trust me, local votes will be terrible. We're not going to allow this country to go down. So, no support for any business of foreigners. Namthola umuntu wasemzansi esaluni yama foreigner. Take them out. Let us support our brothers' saloons. Let us support our brothers' businesses. Nabasoma business of this country. Can you please, guys, as much ni enjoy life yenu, kumnandi, ninga affected with what affects us. Please, can you support us on these missions? All the business in the local provinces, please, can you support the structures? Siyabonga, siyazi nayithanda ifame, niyafuna ukuthi vele nisalute, siyanisaluta. But please, this time around, kenibe abantu ababona the importance of this country. Please. No, the message is no supporting business of any foreigners. The police, the heads of the departments of police, defense force, Abu Maspala, can we please get the right of doing these things? Ukuze kusasa kungabi nokuthi thina we are do izinto ngokuphula umthetho, because we want to go, we don't want to go that area. Already we are there. But ngeke respect sithi siyanicela sizozilungisela country yethu. Give us those permission. If abaniki, we're gonna do it without or with. Sizoyenza. Amandla, comrade. Amandla. Let us fight this.
Detailed video. I don't think it's necessary, so I'm just going to make this very short. I don't believe foreigners should have first privilege to get into any schooling system. Also, I don't believe foreigners should get any sort of first privilege to get into employment opportunities. Also, I don't believe foreigners should be working anywhere in relation to government. At all. That is my standpoint. I will die on this fucking hill, but this is what I know to be true from experience. And in terms of the placements of schooling, I think it should be district specific. So if your address, your living address, your domicile, if that shit is in that particular district, you should get first privilege to place your child in that school. If your address is not in that district, you should be placed on the waiting list. I don't care if you're a foreigner or if you're from Joburg or whatever the fucking case may be. You should not have any sort of first privilege to get into that schooling. That is my mathematical opinion. It is also my cultural opinion. It is also my fairness, equality opinion. This is the way things should be working. Because if you as a country or a district don't have enough infrastructure to accommodate the nice to haves, having a foreigner or somebody outside of the district attend the school is a nice to have. It's not a need. Your needs are the people in that district whose children need placement. That is the need. So let's stick to the needs, get that under control. If you don't have enough infrastructure, you need to build the infrastructure to take care of the needs. And then if you want the nice to haves, the wants, then you can build extra if you still have money left, which I doubt you will, because right now you're struggling. So first, take care of the locals. I don't think it's an unfair ask. Take care of the locals, make sure they are sorted, and then you can look at your nice to haves, your immigration people, your refugees, your people outside of the district. Those people, you can attend to them later. And if people want to say it's xenophobic or whatever the case may be, go fuck off. Because when you say xenophobic, you just negate my father, my grandfathers, my mothers, all of their struggles. You just negate that for the simple fact of your needs as a foreigner. So fuck you and fuck off.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangibona usend a message to bantu base South Africa ubatshela ngendlela lekumele ebahambe ngayo if they wanna deal with foreigners, if bafuna kuhambisa ama-foreigners for good lana eSouth Africa. So bantu abaningi bamvumile lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana basho ukuthi uyayibeka lo bhodi inkulumo yakhe. Ucommente wena ukuthi umlaleli wamva njani, ingabe wena uyavumelana nalo bhodi lo lakhulumile uhlambe awuvumelani naye. Comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.